Hey, it's Steve with Getting Fresh Air, and we're back with another really easy install on the Jeep here. So looking at this, you know, Jeep comes standard with this prop rod here. We're going to put some struts on here so we don't have to use this cheap little prop rod anymore. So just looking at this is an Amazon part we got. Obviously we're not sponsored by them or affiliated with them in any way, but let's unbox this and get this installed. Alright, so unboxing this, you can see it comes with two mounting brackets, one for the upper side, one for the lower side, and then the struts for each side there. It does have some hardware for the one side, but the other side you use existing hardware that's already on your Jeep. And just a reminder also, this particular kit is for the JL and the JT, but they do have JK and other models for whatever Jeep you do have. Alright, as far as tools that we'll need, according to the instructions, all you need is a 10mm socket. So we got that and our socket wrench, and then we just have a few various extensions on here that sometimes just make it easier. So let's head over to the Jeep and get this installed. Alright, so the bottom bracket on the driver's side is going to go right here using this existing bolt, and then the same thing on the passenger side. So we're just going to take this bolt out here. Okay, easy enough. That's that bracket. Alright, a note it does have in the instructions, just to make sure that the bracket's sitting correctly, is just to push on the ball end here so it's up against the frame, and then tighten the bolt down. Alright, for the upper bracket, it comes with the two bolts. I already took the one bolt out. It says to take the lower bolt out so that this piece here is, you can maneuver it through, and then we're putting this in, this slot, this metal bracket is going in here, and then it'll clamp down and hold it straight. So let's see how this is going to work. Not very easily. Ready? And then I guess the fun part is going to be lining up that hole there. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Tighten these down again with your 10mm socket. Okay, and then I guess this can sit over that, or maybe trim it. Alright, so now installing the struts themselves. Just has a little light pressure to get on that ball until it clicks like it did. And then the upper side, may have to raise the hood a little bit. there you go. Left side, same thing, just light pressure to get that on there till it clicks. Then the upper side.
I was trying, baby.
Same thing. There we go. Alright, so now with the struts installed, undo our latch and voila. No more stupid strut.
Not a strut.
Oh, it's not a strut. What did they call it? Thingamajobber?
Hood latch.
Hood latch. See, that's why I got you around, to keep up with all the technical terms. Okay, I think this was a very quick install, maybe about 10 minutes even doing the video. What are you showing, Kelly?
11 minutes exactly.
11 minutes, and that's with filming. So very simple install. Again, this was a kit we got off of Amazon. We'll put the link in the description below in case you're interested in this. I think this was definitely under $100. I want to say it was closer to the $60 range as far as the struts and the kit or whatever. So simple install, under 10 minutes. Now you don't have to play with this, what did you call it again? Hood latch.
Hood latch.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Be sure to check the description below for more information, and if you have any questions about the install, just drop that in the comments also. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to follow along. And until next time, we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.